our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a Flexagon. This is how it looks. It's made from a sheet of printer paper and you just play with it. It goes on forever. Put that aside. Last summer, I went to a summer camp, and one counselor gave me a Flexagon. And I thought it was really cool, so I decided to learn how to make it. Now I want to teach you how to make one. You'll need a sheet of printer paper. So let's get started. Fold in half, hamburger way. So it looks like this. Okay, unfold. And take this edge and fold it to the crease.
Do not overlap.
Oh, I mean the corner, sorry, the corner.
But don't overlap.
Yep. Turn it around and do the same exact thing. Okay, and take the bottom flap and fold it up to the top. So it's like we're making a bow. You can cut it. I'll just rip it. Oh man. And just rip it. Now, you just want them to meet each other. You just let them touch each other, and you also just want to fold it to the line. That. There. Both sides. Do you want the same on the other side?
Not too far.
There. Now, flip it over. Okay, now you'll have to fold on a crease that you've already made. Just like that. Good. Now, you will need to fold this bottom edge to this crease. So that it looks just like this. Now flip it over and fold onto the crease you've already made. Flip it over and fold it to this crease. The crease right after it. Flip it over, hold on to this crease, flip it over. So we're just going to be doing the same thing over and over.
Like
Fold
a fan.
To the crease, flip it over, hold on top of the crease, flip it over, and finally fold to the end of your paper. So it looks just like that. I'm going to paper out just like by doing this. There. Now, we need to fold the paper in half. Just like this. So, looks like this. Very good. Now just crease it. Unfold. Now take this edge and fold it to this crease. Great. Similar thing on the other side. Once you're done, it will look just like this. Now you'll need a pencil. I'm going to use a mechanical one and a ruler. So now you will have to fold on these creases again. Long ways. So it's like that. No. Unfold them and fold them like a fan.
Oh, that's the fan way.
Now this is when your pencil comes in. And your ruler. And your ruler. No.
You help me with this part.
Yeah, I will. So first, flatten this out with your pencil. Take your roller, and do you see this little rectangle? Like little. This is a rectangle. You want to take your ruler, and from corner to corner, you'll just line it up there, then draw. Now you'll want to draw a line. Okay, so then it just goes all across. Draw another line from here to there. So from this corner
I can't use
to this corner.
this. Is
Now you'll have to do the same thing with all the boxes. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. I have finished mine.
almost done. One more line. Yay, I'm done!
Yay! You're done! Okay, now you have finished every single one.
Oh, shit, his leash.
Now, all you need to do is just fold on each of your pencil lines. Just like that.
Like this?
No, fold on each of your lines. So on these folds, you can fold down, down, and then keep going because there's another line over here. It's way faster. Yes, I'll help you after I finish explaining. Okay. Now we're done. Okay, all you need to do is connect the two sides. We're not going to use any tape or glue. Just open up one side.
Open up one side.
No, don't do all the way. Just do this. Okay? And then take the bottom part. Okay? And then you see how it folds right here? Just fold it inside.
Fold. I can't fold inside. I have to.
You can? You let me first finish mine. Then watch. Then on these sides, you see they're still a bit messy. Just need to push them in. Just like
It's
that.
too hard folding them inside. I need help.
Okay, first
It
I'm
kind of like a jacket. It looks like a jacket, a long big jacket.
This looks like a strangle. Oh no, what is this?
That looks like a jacket.
Take this bottom part, just fold it, connect to them. So now there are two more steps left. First, you'll see these two creases right here, and right here. You just want to fold down on them, just like this.
All 6.
Yeah, you do it on all 6 sides. This one,
Fold.
fold.
Fold. This is the hard part. Fold.
Okay, watch.
Fold.
So use both your fingers.
You
See?
can
Now just take this.
and push it down.
Yeah, push it down. Look, push it down on this pencil mark.
There, I did it. Push. Push. There.
Yay!
Push.
So once it's done, it's gonna look like this. Yeah, from this.
Down. Push.
So now you want to take these corners,
I wish I
these
had
corners,
graded paper.
this, and you see these creases. You're gonna just fold down on them.
What creases? What creases?
Just like that. So that it'll look just like this.
Like
The same on each side. So just fold down.
I can't do it. These together. I can't do it.
And then lastly this one.
Why am I clapping together?
These two folds. See? Just push down on top of them. Then get that. So now this one. Fold down these two folds. Okay, as you see, I've finished my flex. You can turn it. So look, now how to turn it. It's just to take the corners
Oh no, my Flexagon fell.
and pull them to the middle.
I need the Flexagon. Take the 2 corners. I can't pull them.
To the middle.
No, I broke it, see?
It's not broken. Look, just take the two
Let me
corners.
try yours first.
Look, so
But
this is
yours
how
is
it
easy.
at the end.
But
It's
I
my
can't
sister's.
push it out. I can't push it out. All I can do is back here and
your first Flexagon. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share this amazing video with your friends. Thanks for watching.